In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Semrush account in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. The choice is yours. Once your browser is open, head over to a search engine and type in Semrush. This will take you straight to the official Semrush website, so click on that link to enter their homepage. Now that you're on the Semrush website, go ahead and either log in if you already have an account, or sign up if you're new and want to explore your dashboard before deletion. Assuming you're logging in, make sure to enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, displaying all your data and tools available through Semrush. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an icon there representing your profile. Clicking on this profile icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Subscription Info. This section provides you with detailed information about your current plan, whether it's a free version or a paid subscription. Once you're in the Subscription Info section, the next step is to search for an option that says Cancel Subscription. This option is typically available for those on a paid plan. It allows you to terminate your subscription directly from the site. However, if you're on a free plan, you might find that the Cancel Subscription option is not visible. This can be a slight hurdle, but don't worry because we have a workaround. In the absence of a direct cancellation option for free users, you'll need to scroll down to find the Contact Us link. Clicking on Contact Us will provide you with various ways to reach the Semrush support team, who can assist you in deactivating your account. This is a crucial step, as they will likely guide you through the final steps to ensure that your account is completely deactivated. Following these straightforward steps will help you navigate the account deletion process on Semrush efficiently. Remember, if at any point you encounter issues or have questions, don't hesitate to utilize their support options available through the Contact Us section. They are there to assist you and make sure your experience, even when ending your journey with them, is as smooth as possible. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful.